If you are looking for one of the largest 4-room flat unit with a balcony and literally 1 minute walking distance sheltered all the way to Waterway Shopping Mall and Punggol MRT station, then you should be right here viewing this place with me. Hello everyone, I'm Sean from Urban Agents, and today we are going to showcase a very special 4-room unit that is located on a high floor in the heart of Punggol Residences. I would say that this neighborhood is the nearest HDB estate towards Punggol MRT station, and literally you can get there within 1 minute walking distance, and rainy day proof, fully sheltered all the way for you and your family. And the good thing that it is located also next to the Waterway Shopping Mall. Well, we are here right now, so let's check out the apartment. Come on, let's go with me. Alright, here we are inside the spacious 4-room flat unit that sits over in an area of 97 square meter, which is roughly about 1044 square feet. I would say that this size is one of the largest in Punggol Residences estate, and there are only 2 units in each block. And what I like about the renovation that the owner has done, he managed to break down the dividing wall between the kitchen and the living space, and he managed to convert this whole entire area to be an open concept where you have your dining set for 4 to 5 person, where you enjoy your family mealtime. And over in this area near the entrance of the walkway, you have your high kitchen countertop that you can enjoy your breakfast. The owner has also managed to maximize the storage space for the pantry, and as well as a designated space for your big capacity fridge. Well, let's check out the rest of the kitchen area. Stepping into the wet kitchen area, you can see that this whole entire premises is fully equipped with your cooker hob, your convection oven, as well as a space for your microwave oven. What I like about this space is that you have your kitchen sink that's facing towards a window, which will ventilate the whole entire area, and at the same time it allows for natural lighting to filter into your kitchen space. Right behind you is the service yard, which is big enough for you to do your big bathing items laundry. And what I like about the whole entire space is that it is so bright and so spacious and windy at the same time. Well, let's check out the rest of the living hall. Coming over to this spacious living hall, you can easily put in all kinds of furniture. On one side of the wall, you can afford to have a long L-shaped sofa, and on the opposite side, you can afford to have a big TV console area. What I like is that the owner has put in the integrated cove lightings above the false ceiling, as well as a ceiling fan, and also the surround sound speakers for the family's home entertainment enjoyment. Like I mentioned before, there are only 2 such units in the entire block that comes with a balcony, and this is an unfair advantage to you where you enjoy the view of the estate greenery, and as well as allowing the natural ventilation and the natural lighting to come into the premises. Over at this balcony area, you can do your planting, you can afford to have an alfresco coffee table to enjoy the breeze for stepping out. And good thing is that this particular unit is not facing towards any LRT track nor any traffic, so it is as serene and as quiet as possible. Alright, here we are at the bedroom walkway that leads to the 3 bedrooms. And on my left, you see that there is a utility room that you can maximize your storage over here, as well as the guest bathroom. Well, before we check them out, let's check out the first common bedroom. Well, stepping into this room, you can see that the owner has converted this to be his home office as well as his study area. I like the way that he has done his interior design with the wallpaper on one side of the wall, and as well as introducing cove lighting on the false ceiling. I would say this room is so huge. If you want to convert this back to a bedroom, you can easily put in a queen size or even a king size bed with your dresser table, study table, and even a built-in wardrobe. Now we are at the second common bedroom, which the owner has used this to be his children's bedroom that comes with a built-in sliding door wardrobe, as well as the integrated cove lightings on your ceiling. What I enjoy about this premises is that it is so naturally ventilated and naturally bright because of the additional top and bottom window panels that enjoys the same view of the estate greenery as the rest of your bedrooms and living hall. Well, let's check out the master bedroom right now. Come with me. This 4-room flat layout has one of the largest size for the master bedroom. and you can house in a built-in sliding door wardrobe, a king-size bed, as well as a big massage chair. And I would like to say that this unit faces a very serene environment, and it's so quiet and so cozy for you to rest and for you to have a nap. And good thing is that it comes with an attached bathroom where the owner has done up a nice vanity counter with a cove lighting which enhances the whole environment. 271D Punggol Walk in Punggol Residences is the nearest estate to the Punggol MRT station. It is literally 1 minute walking distance. You can also do your shopping in the Waterway Point Shopping Mall, and just another 10 minutes walking distance, you can get to the SAFRA Punggol Clubhouse and the upcoming Punggol Town Hub and the Punggol Regional Sports Centre. You have several primary schools for your selection, such as the Punggol Green Primary School, Edgefield Primary School, as well as the Horizon Primary School and the upcoming Vela Primary School. If you are driving, we are just 1 minute driving distance to the nearest TPE Expressway. If you are looking for a very spacious 3-bedroom apartment that is fully renovated, located on a high floor that comes with a balcony, service yard and utility room, located next to Punggol MRT station and Waterway Shopping Mall, then please do not hesitate to call me at my mobile number. I'm Sean from Urban Agents, and if you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to see you in my next video. See ya!